Hi, my name is Lindy from Project Portfolio Office. So with the exception of building your schedule directly in PPO using the PPO scheduler, we also support importing schedules using MSP, Excel, Google Sheets, as well as Excel for Map. In this specific video, I'll be focusing importing using the Excel template. So to support our clients, we have a couple of templates available that you can use. How to get to those is to hover over the Help menu, click on the Support portal. In the Support portal, you can navigate to Resources, and under Resources, there's an article that covers task import templates. If I just click through to that, you'll notice that we have a couple of different templates that you can use here at the bottom. So these are the three Excel import sheets. So the first one, the task import template, is very basic and can be used by users that use Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or Excel for Mac. The second one is a little bit more advanced with advanced features. And the third one, this one at the bottom, you can use if you have enabled multiple resources on your responsibility field on the task entity. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to take the basic task import template and I'll just quickly open that one up for you. So it's very important to note that you do not change any of the column headings because they are used to map these columns to the fields in PPO. So we have our unique identifier, your task name, type, start date, finish date, notes, resource, and actual progress. On the type field, the options that we have, the same as in PPO, your project task, which is your line 0, summary tasks, tasks, and milestones. If you would like to allocate work to resources, you need to populate your resource sheet. And how we do this is by extracting a report from PPO. The report on PPO that we use is the resource sheet, and how to get to that is hover over reporting, select reports. Report category is resources and the report name is resource sheet. You just download a datasheet version of that and this is what it would look like. You literally just copy the names from this and paste it into your Excel template under the resources tab. Okay, so let's get into importing this Excel file that I have over here. So you can see I have added some actual progress. If I just go over to PPO, on my project list, I'm just going to select this time and attendance project. So if I drill through to that, it takes me to the project view page. So always at the top, we have our project information and then all the relevant entities below that. And what we're looking for is the task section in PPO. Under the Actions menu, you simply click on Import, which takes you through to the Import Task Wizard screen. And over here, we can go and find that file and just attach it. At the bottom, we have our field mapping. So on this side, we have the PPO task field names. And this is the mapping to the project plan, whether it's Excel or MSP that you are using. So I've added my file in here, so I'm just going to click on Import, which takes you through to a summary page. And on the summary page, it just gives you the details of what's going to happen when you submit. So the total number of tasks that I'm going to be adding, it also compares to the tasks that are currently living in PPO and the actions that it's going to perform. For this, it's only going to be adding the 7 tasks that I have on my schedule. I'm simply going to click on Submit. And it redirects me to the task list for that specific project. And here you can see the 7 tasks have been imported. From here, you also have the ability to view the Gantt chart. And from this page, you have the ability to export this Gantt to a PDF if you'd like to share it with your stakeholders. It is also best practice that you save your project schedule as an actual document on PPO to plug that governance gap. So if you hover over projects and you navigate to documents, it takes you through to the document list where you just click on add. It opens up in the side panel where you just complete all the relevant information and then simply click on submit. I hope you find this valuable. Thank you very much for watching.